Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Yesenia. So before we get into this video, I wanted to explain to you guys what this series of videos is going to be about. If you guys are not interested in that and you just want to watch the decoration and how everything looks, I'll put down below in the description a stamp of the number of where you guys could skip. That way you guys don't want to watch me just talk about it. So basically I'm going to have a series of videos where I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be decorating my whole apartment. The first video that I already uploaded is the extreme makeover of my wood floor. So if you guys haven't watched that one, I'll leave it down below for you guys, or I'll leave it somewhere right here so you guys could check it out. I'm going to be having more videos of home decor hauls. I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be decorating my living room. So today, this video is going to be basically how my living room is looking right now, but it's not completely done. So there's going to be more videos of how I'm putting more stuff, and then it's going to be the final video of how everything looks once I feel like it's completely done, which I feel like it will never be completely done, but you guys know what I mean. And I'm also going to be decorating my bedroom. That's going to be later on, so I'm also going to have videos for that. And basically my whole apartment, I'm thinking of decorating like my whole apartment now that I have my wood floor. I'm so happy about it. So if you guys want to see how my living room looks now, let's check it out. So let me just show you guys of everything that I have done already, that I have put out. So this is the entryway of my apartment. This is the kitchen, like I said, the entryway. So I am gonna be doing something here. Still don't know exactly what. I did put this rug that I got at Home Goods a long time ago. I might leave it here, I'm not sure, because I'm thinking that here I want to put like a bench, and then I'm gonna put like a coat hanger. That way I could hang like my purse or my jacket, whatever I'm wearing when I come in. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this here. This is Bella's tray. There's one missing. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep it there. And then here, I don't know if I want to keep this blank or if I want to do something too. I could always put a mirror here. I do have a mirror, but I don't know if I want to put it here. The only reason why is because I put my mirror on this wall on this side. So I have this mirror here, but I don't know if I want to keep it where it is. So most of the things might be move around here and there. I'm not sure. I do have also these candle stands that I got from Goodwill. They're so nice, and I kind of like how they look right by the mirror. But then, like I said, I don't know if I want to have my long mirror there or if it's gonna go like on the other side over there. I used to have it on that side. So moving on to this side, I have this rocking chair that I got it from someone was selling it online, and I got it for $25, guys. 25. That was a steal for me. So it did came with a little stool like to put your feet, but I didn't like how it was super dirty and ugly, so I'm not using that. But I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna decorate that. I also have my two plants right here. I do have all this mess right here, so let's not look at that because that's not done. I do have the basket. That basket used to be under my elephant plant, so I'm probably gonna put it there. I have another plant here. I have this little side table, and then I have those little things that I don't know what they're called, but I put them there. So I kind of wanted to put like a round mirror here, but now it's like I don't know if I am, because if I leave this mirror there, that will kind of contradict, you know, like a mirror and another mirror. So I don't know. So this is my couch right now. So that's why I have all my pillows on the floor, because I'm gonna put them right now there. I'm just gonna show you guys how I basically decorated my couch. And then over here, I already did this, some candles. I don't know if that's gonna stay like that. And then this is like what you guys already have seen. I had my TV stand like this, and I'm watching this show. I forgot the name of it. It's Tidy. Let me see what's the name of it. So I'm watching this show. This is like the perfect show to be watching right now while I'm cleaning, which is Tidying Up with Marie Kondo. I think that's her name. And it just shows you how to clean. So I'm watching that right now. And then in this section right here, I have my, what the hell? Bella, Get down. She has never done that before. What are you doing? I'm seriously surprised because she has never ever done that before. Wow, but she looks so cute. Okay, anyways, I have my snake plant here. I have this. I don't know if I want to keep that frame there. Like I said, things are like here and there. And then I have my shelf on this side. So yeah, I'm gonna do a separate video about how I want to decorate the shelf because I still don't know exactly how I want it, but it's gonna, like, I'll have a video for you guys for that. So let's do the rest that I want to do today. So right now I'm just gonna show you guys how I basically put all my pillows and how basically how I want my couch to be set up. You guys probably have seen in another video how it looks, but I'm gonna show you guys like everything that I put on it, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna decorate that rocking chair right there. So let me give you guys an overview how it looks now. Just in case if you guys are wondering where my pillows are, this one is from Marshall's, World's Market, Home Goods, H&M, World's Market. This one is supposed to be, I think, a throw blanket. It's super big. It's from Amazon. This one is a throw blanket from Home Goods. Another throw blanket from Home Goods. This one is from Marshall's. That I forgot. Target Target, World's Market, Society Sits, World's Market, Marshall's, Wayfair, IKEA, and all of these right here for my TV stand, and also the little storage boxes are from IKEA. So that's it for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.